What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Fear and Panic YouTube channel, and today we have a fun little video. We're going to be doing a head-to-head battle between Prismatic Evolutions and Destined Rivals. So I have 16 packs of Prismatic Evolutions here and 15 packs of Destined Rivals, so one of the Prismatic packs just won't count. But pretty much how this is going to work, we are going to do a head-to-head battle, and we're going to open packs from both sets and we're gonna put them together to see which set gets better pulls. So this should be a very fun video, just a fun little opening of two sets with bad pull rates. So this should be interesting, man. Let's get right into this. Alright guys, let's start this off with 5 packs of Destined Rivals. I accidentally ripped this one before we started, so my bad. There's a code card. Alright, we got an Electabuzz, Cynthia's Gibble, Skarmory, Smoliv, Team Rocket's Archer, Wellspring Mask Ogerpon, Shaman, Team Rocket's Muckrow, Reverse Buzzle, and an Ethan's Typhlosion regular holo. The way this is going to work is we're going to do 5 packs of each set at a time, so it'll be like 3 rounds of 5 packs pretty much. Good card. We got a Kangaskhan, Team Rocket's Drowsy, Ethan's Cinquintro, Team Rocket's Zubat, Arvin's Toedscruel, Cynthia's Spiritomb, Ethan's Pinsir, MC's Hype. Ooh, and a Zamazenta. Nice, man. Wow, that's a nice looking card. Very nice. Followed by a Crustle, regular holo. Next pack. Good card. Team Rocket's Nidoran, Team Rocket's Flaffy, Team Rocket's Drowsy, Arvin's Toedscruel, Cynthia's Power Weight, Arcanine, Team Rocket's Muck, Yanma Reverse, Team Rocket's Eradicate Reverse, and a Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX. That is my favorite regular EX card from this set. For sure. I actually like the promo one even better too. Alright, got an Electrike, Taillow, Ethan's Slugma, Meditite, Shaman, Ethan's Adventure, Abomasnow, Ethan's Subduwudu. I always mispronounce that name. Team Rocket's Drowsy, and a regular holo Zamazenta. Pretty good pulls from Destined so far, man. That Zamazenta is really nice. I like that card. Buzzle, Team Rocket's Porygon, Ethan's Sudowoodo, Team Rocket's Coughing, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Arvin's Toedscruel, Team Rocket's Golbat, Arvin's Maschiff, Reverse Gorbis, and a Zamazenta regular holo. Alright guys, so got this beautiful Zamazenta and this Mewtwo EX to start off the first round for Destined Rivals. Strong start. Alright guys, now for 5 packs of Prismatic. Let's see, man. Let's see if Prismatic can take this W here. But the pull rates from Prismatic, man, I don't know. I don't know. Execute, Sneasel, Professor's Research, Dusclops, Dipplin, Glass Trumpet, Heathran, Whimsicott Reverse, Professor Sada's Vitality, and a Wellspring Mask Ogerpon EX. Good card. Hippopotas, Eevee, Spritzy, Puppetar, Great Tusk, Professor Saves Vitality, Suicune, Executor, Pokeball. Nice. Lopunny Reverse, and a knocked out regular holo. With a holo energy. Code card. Alright. Dunsparce, Houndour, Applin, Goldeen, Explorer's Guidance, Shaman, Professor Turo's Scenario, Friends in Paldea, Applin, and a Lugia EX. I've actually never pulled this one. Well, that's 3 out of 3 pulls from Prismatic. Okay. We see you. Alright, man. Can Prismatic pull this one out? I'm gonna say no, not yet, because that Zamazenta was really nice. Okie dokie reverse and an Iron Boulder regular holo. I don't know, man. That Zamazenta's not an easy one to beat. Prismatic is one of those that can do it. You just gotta actually get the pull from it. Riolo, Slowking, Janine's Secret Art, Bug Catching Set, Spritzy Reverse, Professor's Research Reverse, and a Glaceon regular holo. Yeah, guys. I'm definitely gonna say Destined Rivals takes the first round here. Not that these are bad pulls, but that Zamazenta is just nice, man. Alright, guys. 5 more packs of Destined. See who takes round 2, man. Mantis, Squawkabilly, Cynthia's Rosalia, Team Rocket's Nidoran, Misty Starmie, Rapidash, Marnie's Scrafty, Reverse Probobass, Reverse Sacred Ash, and Misty's Gyarados. Code card. Rotom, Growlithe, Swellow, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Teal Mask Ogerpon, Team Rocket's Hypno, Team Rocket's Dollar Reverse. Ooh, okay, and a Clam Pearl Full Art. Nice. Annihilate regular holo. Okay. We'll take that. It's a nice pull. Team Rocket's Flaffy, Team Rocket's Drowsy, Toadscroll, Impidimp, TM Machine, Hippodon, Marnie's Morgrem, Momentous Reverse, Swellow Reverse, and a Dondozo EX. Oh man, let's see a special illustration right here from Team Rocket. I've yet to pull one from the English set. I had pulled the Ethan's Adventure from the Japanese set. Come on, man. Let's see what we got from Destin here. Spike Muff Gym, Team Rocket's Muck, Steven's Matang, Steven's Beldum. Oh, and a Team Rocket's Houndoom. Wow, dude, I want this card so bad. Oh, wow. That's nice. Wow. Beautiful, man. Prismatic. You better come out swinging, dude. That's going to be very tough for Prismatic to beat here. They better come out swinging. Dude, the Destined Rivals pull rate has actually been good today. That's crazy. I didn't expect to pull that, to be honest. That was really dope. Melodic, Viper, Growlithe Reverse, Energy Cycler Reverse, and a Zamazenta. Dude, what a solid pull, man. Let's get his sleeves up right now. Dude, that is beautiful. What a sick artwork, man. Looks pretty good on the back too. I don't know if I would say it's gradable, but definitely cool. We got this clam pearl. Let's throw these in a sleeve, and then we're gonna do 5 more prismatic. We got the stamped Flareon from the surprise box, so that's nice. So yeah, one of these is from a booster bundle, and then one of these, or 4 of these are from the surprise box. Wow, did you guys see that? That pack was kind of like open. Alright, man. Let's see. Prismatic needs to have a big run here to beat Destined, man. That Houndoom is very nice. Got a Glaceon. Let's get it, man. Dunsparce, Black Belt's Training, Houndoom, Professor's Research, Sea King, Kieran, Screamtail, Treasure Tracker Ace-Spec, Fan Rotom Pokeball, and a Noctowl. Nice, little double hitter. And a Hollow Energy to top it off. Some of these packs are like damn near open already. Alright, man, I mean, that was a good first pack. Got a little double hitter. Not quite enough to beat the Houndoom, but hey. Let's see here, man. Espeon and a Groudon. Dude, another one. It's like, dude, this pack is pretty much open. That's so strange. I've never seen that before. Regigigas, Lacey, Hobbenberry Reverse, Bunnery Reverse, and a Roaring Moon regular hollow. Oh man, Prismatic, not looking good this round, man. Double hitter was cool, but need a little more than that. There we go. Come on, Prismatic. Need something from you here if you want to have any shot at one in this one. Okay, Vaporeon Pokeball, Duskull, and a Fluttermane. Well, that round obviously is going to go to Destined Rivals. We got 2 regular Pokeballs and a Ace-Spec. So, I mean, it could have been worse. Alright guys, last 5 packs of Destined Rivals. Wow, okay. That was aggressive. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to open it like that. Crazy aggressive. Alright man, come on Team Rocket. They won 2 out of 3 rounds, so unless Prismatic does something crazy here, it's gonna be a clean sweep. Oh my gosh, no way. Guys. Oh my gosh. Dude. This is the craziest pool I've gotten ever. No way. It's over for Prismatic, dude. No shot. No shot. The centering is, it's a little off, man. This is not what I expected, guys. Not what I was expecting, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, that was the first pack. No, okay, no, that was the second pack. Wait, am I tripping? No, dude, that was the first pack of this round. Dude, what? 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 Guys, I'm in disbelief. This is the best Destined Rivals opening I've ever had, and it's not even close. Not even close, guys. I can't believe we just pulled that. I cannot believe we just pulled that. That is shocking, dude. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna sleeve that up real quick. If you guys don't mind. Yeah, we need to sleeve this up right now. Not at all what I expected. Jeez, man. That is shocking, to be honest. That is just shocking. I thought I would never pull that card. That was honestly the last thing I expected. Now I just need that Cynthia's Garchomp, man. Misty Psyduck and a Sneasel. Guys, that is amazing. That is just amazing. Prismatic, if I don't get an Umbreon, you lost. Prismatic literally loses if we don't pull an Umbreon. I think, just to make this fair, this might be cheating, but we're gonna add one extra pack of Prismatic because I have 16 of them. Just to give them a chance, we're gonna add one extra pack of Prismatic. That is insane, guys. That is insane. No wonder we're just striking out in these last packs. Guys, that was a sleeved booster. That was a sleeved booster. That was like, dude, someone could have just... I'm so glad I bought that one. Oh my gosh, guys. I am just in disbelief right now. That was from Hobby Lobby. Hit retail at Hobby Lobby. I didn't buy all of them, okay? Don't worry. I didn't buy them all. They had plenty of packs. I just got enough that for a video. Wow. Okay, Prismatic. We need to see something big here. We need to see something big here. We're gonna let it do this whole booster bundle. Honestly, just to give it a fair shot. I guess 5 for 5 is fair, but my lord. What a banger, dude. What a banger pack. That is such a nice card. That is just insane. Alright, Prismatic. We literally need an Umbreon, otherwise you lose. Or like multiple evolutions. Because there's no shot, dude. Wow, that was aggressive. There is just no shot, dude. With the pull rates on Prismatic, I might just stop I might just stop saying that Destined pull rates are bad, because clearly they're not. Clearly they're not at this point. Oh my gosh. I got a big pile of cards here. They're all falling all over the place. Prismatic, a regular EX ain't gonna cut it. It's not gonna cut it. Wow, guys. Destined Rivals is amazing. I can't believe that happened, man. I'm still like in disbelief that we just pulled that. Absolutely crazy. The chance at pulling those is like, it's insanely low. It is insanely low. Come on, Prismatic. I'm rooting for you here. I'm rooting for you. So guys, I'll say right now, if we pull the Umbreon, Prismatic automatically wins this video. If we pull the Umbreon, Prismatic wins. That's the only condition here. That's pretty much the only way Prismatic wins anyway, dude. Even like a regular evolution just ain't gonna cut it. At this point, it's just not gonna cut it. All it takes is one pack. But is it gonna be the right pack? Probably not. Oh man, let's see. Houndour, Heatran, and a Blood Moon or Saluna. One last pack, friend. One last pack for Prismatic. Pretty sad showing so far for Prismatic. Haven't really gotten anything out of this. The Destined Rivals packs were cheaper, by the way. I had to pay aftermarket for this Prismatic, so I got 13 Destined from Hobby Lobby and 2 from Target. Yeah, it's not gonna cut it. Oh my gosh, dude. Absolutely swept. Absolutely swept Prismatic. I mean, I'm not surprised. Alright, so here's the overview from Prismatic. Oh, wait, is the Lugia from Prismatic? I think it is. So, amount of pulls, I mean, Prismatic had more pulls technically, but quality of pulls, I mean, dude, it's not even close. It isn't even close, guys. Look at this, man. So, look, we got these 2 Mewtwo's. Just look at this lineup real quick. Just look at this lineup, dude. I mean, Destined Rivals absolutely bodied Prismatic. And it isn't even close. I mean, we got some of the sickest cards in the set, dude. Oh my gosh. What an opening, guys. This is probably the best opening on the channel. Just wow. I can't believe it. Alright guys, well obviously Destined Rivals wins this face-off. We had 15 sleeve booster packs. And Prismatic, even with 1 extra pack, doesn't even come close, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crazy opening. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.